Okay.
I'm Aaron Siraco, and I'm on the Smurf team. And Smurf stands for Smart Urban Fabrics. And essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be collecting data from data sources and sensors and analyzing that data to see what the climate is at GCU and hopefully expand this project into the Phoenix area. So how we're going to do that is we have a model of the growth right here, as you can see. And in each of the buildings, ideally, we'd have a sensor and some sensors and be able to collect that data. So as you see right here, we have the Raspberry Pi implemented right now. It's a very cheap and inexpensive computer, and it can collect data for us. And as you see right here, we have an app that shows the data, and we have a code that is running on the Raspberry Pi, and is collecting that data and analyzing it right here. And so what we hope to do with this data is to display it out on our app and show a GCU student where are the hot areas and where should they avoid going. If it's too hot in one area, should they go to the pool? And another example would be, say there's a GCU basketball game or even a soccer game. What we'll have next is hopefully we'll have cameras, and we can be able to track how many people are going to the games, and we can make a correlation between, is there a high population when it's cool weather, or is there a high population with warm weather, or is there very low attendance when it's really hot. So with this data, we can analyze trends and be able to make graphs and information and present this information to the school so they can make more informed decisions.
Can you explain a little bit about what we see about the code?
Sure. So what this script or this piece of code is doing is it's getting data from the sensors.
Yes.
Okay. So it's still good too. Okay. It's getting data from the sensors, putting it in a database table, and then printing that table via on the app right here. So it's collecting that data, putting it into a database table, and that database is being sent, and that information is being sent to our app right here.